Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip, it's funny, it's again with pets. We're probably gonna be wrapping this up soon. And it's, let's be honest, if you're selling your home or just want your home to look nice and elegant, it's funny when you see a really nice house and you go look at your dog or your cat dish and they have all this caked on food and it has a different smell to it. It just really gets gross. So there's odors, it just looks terrible. So one of the tips I saw, and I haven't tried it myself, and I'm going to try it, use some cooking spray on your pet's dishes before you put the food in there, and then it'll be easier to wipe off. So things like Pam or some other name brand cooking spray, it doesn't add a lot of calories to your pet if that's what you're worried about. Make sure it is pet safe, but most of them, they are pretty good. So you just spray a light coating. Don't coat it as if you're putting it into like a baking tray or going into the oven. Just a light coating should do. And let me know how your pets react to it. It really shouldn't change the taste of the food again for your pets, but it will be easier to clean. And if it's easier to clean, therefore they won't get caked on and there won't be as many smells and it just looks nicer. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.